Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we have Samsung Galaxy A55 mobile in my house. Okay, so let's unboxing the same. After the success of Samsung Galaxy A54, this is a new improved device from the Samsung Galaxy A55. So let's open the box and I will tell you the few specification from the hardware side and the software side what we can able to see in this device. So I'm just opening the device right away. Okay, so this is the phone. I'm opening the phone now. Yeah, so this is the ice blue color we have. Okay, I'm removing this part as well, which is here in the back. Okay, let's see what we can get in the box itself apart from the device. So I think yeah, so this is the SIM ejector pin you can able to see here, and along with that there is a type C cable, I believe so. Samsung has provided that. So this is the type C cable you can able to see here. Okay, also now you could not get the charger in the box. Okay, so you have to buy the own charger, and it supports basically the 25-watt charging speed. So let's talk about the device now. So if you see this device on the back and the front, I can able to see this is the metal and the Gorilla Glass Gorilla Glass Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection you can able to see on the back and even on the front side. So it would be feel like a very solid device when you're holding this device. It's very solid device, I would say. This is the ice blue color. Okay, and if you see on the side here, this is the basically the metal frame, aluminum metal frame you can able to see. There's a slightly textured you can able to see on that upper side. Okay, this is the power button, this is the volume rocker up and down you can able to see, and on the upper side here, this is the noise cancellation mic, and here we can able to see the SIM ejector slot. We can able to put the only one nano SIM. Along with that there is a one SD card slot is also there, available over here. So let me check that as well. Let me check. If I press here, yeah, so as expected, yeah, this is, you can see the nano SIM card, and on the back side you can put the SD card slot, or you can put the two different nano SIM in this particular device. Okay, so this is it. Also, when we talk about the camera module, on the back you can able to see there are three provisions of camera. First camera would be like a 50 megapixel rear camera. The second would be like a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and the last one is micro camera. Basically you can take a micro shots in that. So this is the flashlight. Okay, and what else we can say? This is basically the power device which is run through the Exynos 1480 processor. Okay, you can able to scroll the, we can say, like a HDR content. Okay, with the high resolution, like a 4K resolution, HDR content, Netflix, Amazon Prime, you can able to scroll it with the high resolution. Okay, also there is a IP67 rating is there, so you can put this device in the water, no harm would be it could not get any kind of issue when you are putting this device in the water. So this is the another good feature which is Samsung. And look at the display. Basically it's a 6.6 inches super AMOLED panel, okay, with the 120 hertz of display. And and you all are aware, basically the Samsung is well known about their display size, and the premium display panel, I would say, that Samsung has offered in this particular device. So it's a Super AMOLED 120 Hz panel. Okay, so yeah, so this is it, the first impression. I would say it's a good kind of a device. Okay, you can see in the bottom there are the 5G antenna band. Okay, you will get almost the more than 12 5G band support here. Okay, so here the type C port. Okay, again there is a speaker grill on the bottom. On the top side there is a noise cancellation mic, and this is the SIM ejector slot, which is given on the header level, basically, and on the head level. So it looks like a premium device, I would say, with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. So but I would advise that please buy a charger along with that. Just put one here. You have to buy the, we can say, a cover basically. Okay, for the screen protection you need to buy TPU case. Okay, that would be better for the better security. Although it's a good protection Samsung has been provided, so it won't be any kind of issue. Well, accident touch would be happen, or if the device has been fallen down from your hand, that won't be any kind of damage, I would expect, that I can commit you here. Okay, so this is basically the things, and it look like a boxy design. I would say it's a boxy design kind of phone. It's feel like a, it reminds us the basically the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra design basically, and it's a huge 6.6 inches will the display which is provided. So you can scroll the images, pictures, and all the immersive experience you will get, because since it's a 120 Hz of panel. Okay, so this is it basically. And also you have get the knock security, so where you can kept your all personal file, all your details, all your information. Okay, also Samsung has provided basically the 4 years of the security 4 years of the OS update, and the 5 years of the security update. That is another prime feature which is provided by the Samsung. So this is all about the overall feature of the Samsung device. Okay, we will explain you, and in my coming video I will explain you the detailed picture and the detailed story of this particular device, how it is working in your day-to-day life. Okay, so this is it. Thank you so much, and do like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.